it comes to gaming on your smartphone, there are three things that are really important. You need a powerful processor, you need generous amounts of battery, and of course, you want to pay a good price for the device because you really don't need to spend too much to have a good gaming experience on your device. On the show today, we have Lenny, product manager of ASUS Zenfone, and Nico, technical PR for ASUS, to talk to us about their new device. This is the ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M1. That's a mouthful. So, Lenny, maybe you could talk to us about the device and what are like the key features of the phone.
Yeah, I think we know that nowadays the smartphone, different vendors, they highlight different features. They can highlight about camera, the front camera, the selfie, or the quality design. But there's only one point that we really can tell the big difference is the battery, right? When you go out for one day, maybe your battery can only last for 3 to 4 hours. So ASUS Zenfone Max series has been in the market for more than 2 years, been very popular ever since.
And they're really known for the battery.
Correct, right? It's just really the battery really solved the main problem for most of the users, that no need to carry so many power banks in the day, right? That's really the biggest problem. And on top of that, ASUS Zenfone Max, we firstly use the Snapdragon 600 series 636 processor. We know that's very battery efficiency, also very powerful. So with this new processor, plus the 5000 milliampere battery, so that's why we call it really the gaming phone. Okay, so battery, also the processor, that's why the phone is perfect for the gaming.
What about the camera? Because that's also something that, Filipinos take a look at. And it says here, we love photos. So maybe you can talk about that as well.
You can see we comes with a dual camera, okay? The main camera is 13, and plus the 5 megapixel for the bokeh mode.
That's the one with the blurred background.
Correct, and the front camera is 8 megapixel, also good enough for you to take a good selfie. Also provide you the good quality of the camera. On top of the good battery, also the processor, it also runs the stock Android. It means that no more annoying bloatware. And most of the time, that bloatware will also slow down your performance. So I think that's also the good point about Zenfone Max Pro M1. And as long as Android, they release the new update version of the software, it can also get the latest update anytime.
So Nico, let's talk about mobile gaming. What do you think are like the more popular mobile games that would run really well on this device?
I would think PUBG. It's one of the most popular mobile games actually right now.
Everybody's just running around playing that game.
Yes, and there are even different game modes. You can even customize your character and everything. And then there's also MOBA games like Mobile Legends and Vainglory. We're trying to tap into those people that really love to play on the go. So there's really a lot of interest for these gaming phones right now in the market.
But when you say esports, is it restricted to like console and PC gaming, or does it also include mobile gaming?
Right now, mobile gaming esports is gaining traction as well.
Because of the MOBA games, right? And that I think is a really important trend because most Filipinos, of course, cannot afford like the really rigged PC or a PS4. So to be able to compete on games and to be part of the esports community on the device is really something that's very important.
And especially now that competitive games are actually being made concurrently with PCs, consoles, and even mobile.
Like when you're on your phone, you can play with somebody on a different device.
Yes, that's currently happening right now.
And that I think puts more importance on how you guys will keep on building smartphones moving forward. Because as the walls between the different consoles collapse, and with cloud technology powering a lot of the gaming, you can pretty much play against anybody on your phone.
Yes.
And the battery, of course, is an important thing because you can't play a lot with,
Yes, you can play everything at the highest settings very smoothly.
Wow, powerful statement. Okay, on that note, thank you, Lenny, Nico, for being on the show. Definitely, guys, if you are looking for an affordable but powerful smartphone that will last you a long time, you have to check out this new device from ASUS, the ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M1.